Welcome to Lecture 2 of the Business in Frontier Technologies. Today, we are diving deeper into the world of artificial intelligence by exploring the very foundation it's built on, data. Think of it this way: to solve any problems, AI needs to understand the world, and it does that by learning from data. AI is powerful at a few key things. It can process huge amounts of information, find hidden patterns within that information, group similar data together, and extract important details from unstructured data. Essentially, it transforms raw data into knowledge, allowing us to take action. So, what kind of data are we talking about? There are two main types: structured and unstructured data. Structured data is organized and easy to search, like the information in a spreadsheet or a sales record. On the other hand, unstructured data has no defined format. This includes things we interact with every day, like text messages, photos, videos, and sound. This is where the real revolution is happening. The amount of data we generate is growing exponentially, and it's being driven almost entirely by unstructured data. In fact, a few years ago, it was estimated that unstructured data made up a staggering 90% of all data in the world. Think about it: every video you watch, every photo you post, every email you send, that's all unstructured data. This is why AI is so crucial today. It helps us make sense of the massive, chaotic volume of information. This explosion of data has completely changed the global business landscape. If you look at the most valuable companies in the world today, like Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon, what do they have in common? They are all masters of using data. They've figured out how to use data to their advantage, often by focusing obsessively on the customer experience, which Jeff Bezos famously called Amazon's secret sauce. Working with data isn't always easy though. We often run into common challenges like missing information, repeated entries, or inconsistencies. This is where different machine learning techniques come into play to clean and analyze the data for us. Let's briefly talk about three of the most important types of machine learning. First, supervised learning, which uses data that is already labeled to predict an outcome. For example, a bank might use this to predict if a customer will repay a loan. Second, unsupervised learning, which uses unlabeled data to find hidden patterns. A company could use this group customers into different segments based on their buying habits. Finally, we have reinforced learning, where an AI agent learns through trial and error, like a robot teaching itself to walk by getting rewards for correct actions. These aren't just theoretical concepts anymore. They are in action all around us, from the facial recognition on your phone to the recommendation algorithm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and even in fighting fraud. Data truly is the new oil, and understanding how to use it is the key to leveraging the power of AI. Thank you for watching, guys.